I'm going to show you how to log in with Book Creator. When you go to bookcreator.com, you'll be greeted with this screen. There's a student sign-in section as well as a teacher sign-in section. Students have the option to log in with Google, Office 365, or sign in with a QR code that was given to them by their teacher. To create the QR codes, teachers do not need email addresses for the students, they just need their name. Under the teacher sign-in, they have the option of signing with Google, Office 365, or another email address. I already have an account with Google, so I'm going to sign into that now. I have recently been trying to use this with my students. There's a few blank books in here, but this will be the library. So in here, there's a variety of different books that my students and I have tried to start. There's also the autobiography of a technology user that we created in this course. If you're new to Book Creator, you will use this icon up here that says New Book. Once you click on there, you'll be greeted with this page, and it asks you to select the type of book shape you want. So the top are for traditional books, and the bottom is for more so comic strips. When you click on the style of book you want, you will then see the navigation bar at the top of the page. These three icons are pretty much all you need to create your book. Under this section, you can import files, audio, or directly off of Google, you can download images. You can use your camera from your computer to take pictures. You can use a pen to write on the page, and you can use text as well, or you could record your own voice. There are shapes that you can add for visual effects, and under here there's also multiple different types of backgrounds that you can use. When you're done creating your book and you want to share it, you can click the play button. You can read the book aloud by clicking this button. An automated voice will read all the text to you. Or you can click this icon here and publish your book online, download as an ebook, which is compatible with iBook application, or you can print your story. So it gives students multiple options to share their work. There's also an option to share the entire library, which is something that might be effective in the school, or the teacher librarian may want to use this alongside their library website. This page is what you will see when you're generating your whole entire digital story, and it's fairly easy to use, and it gives you the option to also do voice to speech to text. So students that cannot write will have the option to click this icon, and it will record your voice and then translate it into text.